Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the ATA Hard Hyperbaric Oxygen Chamber HP1501. This portable chamber is not only easy to carry and install, but it also offers a range of features that make it a top choice for those seeking hyperbaric oxygen therapy. The ATA Hard Hyperbaric Oxygen Chamber HP1501 is designed with user-friendly features, making it safe and simple to operate. The chamber is made of stainless steel and polycarbonate, ensuring durability and longevity. With a pressure of 1.5 ATA, this chamber provides a wide visual space, allowing users to observe the internal and external situation easily. Inside the chamber, users have the option to listen to music, read a book, or use their cell phones or laptops, making the experience more enjoyable and comfortable. Additionally, the chamber offers 3 options for breathing oxygen: an oxygen mask, oxygen headset, or oxygen nasal tube, catering to individual preferences. Safety is a top priority with the ATA Hard Hyperbaric Oxygen Chamber HP1501. It is equipped with an emergency pressure-reducing valve, ensuring a safe and secure experience for users. The chamber also boasts a 93% oxygen concentration, thanks to its adjustable 10L flow rate, which can be operated by one person, saving time and effort. The chamber is also equipped with a high-performance two-way compressor communication system, further enhancing the user experience. Additionally, to ensure a comfortable environment, the chamber has the capability to refrigerate its interior, making it ideal for extended use. Whether you're seeking hyperbaric oxygen therapy for medical reasons or simply for overall wellness, the ATA Hard Hyperbaric Oxygen Chamber HP1501 offers a quality solution that is both convenient and effective. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform,